Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am outside today, but I got a package here. This is a Qeils, Qeils. It says crafting the best life for your pet. This is a dog blanket, I believe. It says Qeils dog blanket, new 25 by, what was it, 25 by 35. So I'm guessing those are like millimeters, or centimeters, sorry. Let's check it out. So that's it, empty package here. And this is how it comes. It comes extremely thin, you can see, and very airtight. So let's open this up. Is there a way to do it easy? Yes, right here. Comes with a little thing. Open it up. I don't know where my dogs are. Oh, they're over there. So this, oh, it's soft. So this is what it looks like unwrapped from there. Comes with a nice little ribbon and a card. And this is what it looks like. So this is it. So that's the size. It's actually pretty nice, and it's got like a plasticky undercoating. Let me see. It's slightly air goes through it, but I'm gonna say probably not too much. That's a nice little one. It's a standard 100. This is what it says there. And it's a nice size. It's kind of like a floor mat size or something. Let's be able to put this on the couch. The doggies can come and lay on it and stay with me, and they'll know where to stay on the couch because it's got their signature kind of on it with the dog paw prints. It's pretty cool. I like it. This is what the back looks like, so you can see. Kind of nylon-y with a little bit of airflow on it. But it's nice. I like it. So, very cool. So, thumbs up from me. And this is what it is here. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.